Hey guys, this is your girl Paula. My husband and I, we're going to Italy, and we're also celebrating our 29th anniversary. So somehow I have to get all of this into that one little suitcase. Let's see if we can make that happen.
It's the queen of queens with the money when it matters. The sinner.
Well, obviously this isn't gonna happen, right? I just invested in these vacuum bags. This will cut my packing down 80% of the time. Now, how do I fit all of these things into one little suitcase? I have to make it all work. I love my costume jewelry. It's cute, less expensive. I absolutely love it. Voila! It's done. One bag down, one more to go.